Hey Geek, so I've been doing YouTube for quite a while now. The very first YouTube video I uploaded was back in 2013, and within that time I've created and uploaded more than 2,000 plus videos total across all my channels. And when you're doing something for that long of a time, there's going to be a lot of changes. There's going to be many moments where you have really high highs where you feel like you are on top of the world, and then also a lot of time where you're down here at the bottom and you're wondering what you're doing with your life. And so I've been through all of those things, and those things continually happen. However, I do want to talk about something today that I think is going to be important for a lot of creators out there, especially if you're just starting out or thinking about doing something like YouTube or any other creative endeavor. And that is making it fun again. So what do I mean by that? Well, for most people, whenever you're starting out, there's a lot of excitement, you're very optimistic, and things are always sunshine and rainbows because you're doing something new. And it is absolutely an amazing, incredible feeling that's really hard to explain, especially when you start seeing growth. You know, your channel grows, your views grows, and then you start making money from it. And that's kind of where things keep going and keep motivating you for keep doing these things, because you get actually a lot of positive feedback from it. But over time, I think for most people, whenever those things don't consistently happen, or you're at a moment where maybe it doesn't fulfill you in the same way that it did before, that's when you start losing, which I think is probably one of the most important things, and that is just the overall joy and fun of creating. And so that's what I want to really focus on today, because if you notice, and if you've been here on my channel for a while, you notice that I've tried a lot of different things. And within that, I've really changed my focus so many different times. And a lot of times when you're doing this, you're trying to do it in a way that serves the algorithm. I mean, even though people don't want to say it, but also serves your creative needs and your audience. But I think one thing that is consistent is, if you are not having fun, enjoying what you're doing, it's really hard to continually do this. Even if you are having success, because we've seen a lot of big YouTubers burn out who don't enjoy doing it anymore, and they stop doing it. And so that is something that I really wanted to change once again on my channel. And that's why if you've been seeing some of my most recent content, it's different. You know, I'm trying to do the things that I know that I enjoy, but also that will help people, mostly tutorial videos, teaching something new. But I'm also trying to do things that's more entertaining, you know, more out of the box and more of my personality in a different way. And that's something that I really haven't tried much of before. And that's why I wanted to talk about this, because if you are a viewer and supporter of my channel, I first want to say thank you. And then the other thing is, if you are going through these same things, then it's really important that you go back and make things fun again, so that you can continually create and have more fun going forward. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments here below, and we'll see you on another fun video.